Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to find and manage downloaded files through your Mozilla Firefox web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Firefox browser and then select the application menu up at the top right corner. Just go ahead and left click on that and then select Downloads. So if you have any recent downloads in here, it should show up here at the top. You can select the Clear Downloads button to just delete all the downloads listed under your Mozilla Firefox library. You can also search the downloads as well if you want to search for a specific downloaded file. You can right click on the file in here as well if you want to delete it from the list or remove it from history. However, if you want to actually see where it's on your computer and if you want to delete it off of your computer or move it, you will have to select the Show in Folder option, and that'll show actually where it's downloaded onto your computer. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.